Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips numeral 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the SSD without causing any damage. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex Conceal and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the 10 Phillips screws located on the bottom panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Start from one corner and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Take your time with this step to ensure you don't break any plastic clips. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the M2 SSD slot, which is typically near the center of the motherboard. If you're unsure, refer to your laptop's manual for the exact location. Next, you will need to remove the existing M2 SSD bowl. There will be a single screw holding it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew it. Once the screw is removed, gently pull the SSD out of the slot at a 30-degree angle. Be cautious not to touch any other components while doing this. Now, it's time to install the new M2 SSD. Align the notches on the SSD with the slot and insert it at the same 30-degree angle. Once it's securely in place, press it down and replace the screw to hold it in position. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from the fans and other areas. This will help maintain optimal performance and cooling. After cleaning, carefully place the back cover back onto the laptop. Make sure all clips are aligned and press down gently to snap it back into place. Finally, replace the 10 screws you removed earlier to secure the back cover. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this upgrade yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with the upgrade process, ensuring everything is done correctly. Now, reconnect your laptop to the power source and power it on. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure the new SSD is recognized. If you need help with this, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Once the SSD is recognized, you can proceed to install your operating system or clone your existing one. If you prefer, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the M2 SSD in your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex Conceal. Enjoy the enhanced performance and storage capacity of your upgraded laptop. Tab 10. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.